Hello everybody, today we are cleaning some upholstery. It's a very nice day today, so we're making full use of the fact that the sun is shining, it's warm and we have plenty of space. The sofa is a very high quality microfibre, and microfibre is the type of fabric, it's 100% man-made, but it's if you were to wet it, it will stay wet. So we are using a very specific method of cleaning for this type of material today, and it's a kind of a mixture of low moisture cleaning and hot water extraction. And we're using this bit of kit here. This is a foaming vessel, and that creates a thick foam, a bit like shaving foam, that we apply to the fabric, and then it's gently massaged in, and we then extract the suspended soils. And using this method, we can achieve excellent results with the very quickest dry times. We have a drying area just over here, and I would say that give that an hour, that material will be dry. Once it's dried, we then give it a brush, we groom it, and then we refit it back to the frame. So there you have it. So if you have similar fabric on your sofa at home, you may want to consider using us rather than using somebody cheap who will simply go in, over wet it, and then you won't be able to use it for possibly 2 or 3 days.